In this Henry how-to, we'll help you repair a roof leak using Henry wet patch sealants. For this demonstration, we're going to use 209XR Extreme Rubberized Wet Patch, but this process applies to all Henry wet patch roof leak repair sealants. Here are the tools and materials you'll need for this job. Henry wet patch roof leak repair sealant. If you bought this in a cartridge, you'll need a caulking gun, a broom to sweep away dirt and loose material, a wire brush to remove any rust or scale, a trowel or putty knife, Henry roof repair fabric. You'll especially need this if the area being repaired is more than 1/4 inch wide or 2 inches long, and mineral spirit for post-job cleanup. The first thing you need to do is clean the area being repaired. Use a wire brush to remove any rust and scale from the roof surface. Sweep away the dirt and loose material. Remove any embedded gravel, old roof cement, anything that can get in the way of forming a good bond. Now we're ready to apply the 209XR. Using a trowel or putty knife, apply 209XR about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. Work it into the repair area and spread it about 2 to 4 inches beyond the leak. Now we need to reinforce the patch with Henry roof repair fabric. This will help with cracking as the two surfaces move and provides 5 times the strength and durability, completely embedded in the sealant. Then we apply a second layer of 209XR over the repair area. Feather the edges so they are smooth and water can run off the patch. Overall, fixing a leak on your roof is just that easy, and with Henry, you get results that last for years. Make sure you do it right the first time and use Henry wet patch roof leak repair sealant. For more than 80 years, Henry's been the #1 choice of professionals and DIYers. Find out why. Check out all of our Henry how-to videos on our YouTube channel.